And okay, second to last piece on this treasure tray is this second pendant. And this was, I can't even express how difficult this was to get right. There was a lot of game there. This is a piece I'm very, very proud of. First of all, because I found this amazing, beautiful glass from the beaches of Gibraltar. Told you I was going to say that every time like this. But you can see how vibrantly green. I'm not enhancing any of the colors. This is its true color. It's this beautiful, presumably bottle bottom glass bit that I found, and it had this dip in here that I wanted to utilize somehow. So I played with copper and I made this pendant for you. Again, it's quite Vikingy and Romanesque. This is almost like, when I'm looking at it now, it's almost like a face with a warrior's head cover, right, head protection. But it's basically, you put the chain that you might have already through here, and then you would wear it like that. This is copper, so it's a very, very beautiful. I love working with copper because it's got so many personalities, and you can do so much with it. You can see already the amount of different colors I've gotten in there for you with the assistance of heat. It's secured really nicely so it won't fall off. Yeah, anyway, if you like this kind of thing, this should be a winner for you. Again, direct links in my show notes, but before I move on to the next piece, what I wanted to mention is that this is a good one to style with you know, a casual style. I mean, I can't prescribe pendants, really styling for pendants. You can add it to an existing copper necklace you already have. You can layer it with other copper or green type of beaded necklaces, yeah. Or you can wear it with other glass earrings that you might have in your collection.